Right. Well, they really have made some progress since I was last year, just before Christmas. So the tree clearance works actually up to where the towpath leaves the Transpennine Trail.